Welcome to my virtual gallery. Please take a stroll through the various rooms and I really do hope you enjoy your visit. Thank you. Welcome to the cinema room. You're about to watch a short clip of gameplay from Limbo. The first clip is the original and the second is one I dubbed with sounds created with paper. I used Audacity to alter the sounds I recorded as part of a group. The methods used were envelope, amplified, bass and treble for the individual sounds, and I used pulse stretch to alter a sound to create an ambience track. Next, I used Premiere Pro to add a little title sequence followed by both Limbo dubs and end credits. Now take a seat and enjoy the movie. Thank you. In this room you'll find screen captures of photos taken of work that I have been doing over the last 3 months. I created a picture frame in 3ds Max to accommodate these pictures using a plane, a rectangle, a line and extrude. To create this image I used a pencil, a protractor and a ruler. The ruler and protractor were used to calculate the vanishing point. The work could have been better if I'd actually thought about what I had to draw instead of thinking about what actually looked good, because I found it difficult to work out the vanishing point, which made my drawing look out of scale. I hope you're enjoying my virtual gallery so far and welcome to the 3D room. Walk up to any of the models on display for a description of what I created and how. This is a representation of an oven that I created. This task started off with making representations with paper in Boxcraft. I then created a box shape in 3ds Max and applied a UVW map to it. I exported the saved map to Photoshop and applied the texture to it and imported it back into 3ds Max to complete the model. This model has been one of the more complex ones I have made. This walkie-talkie started off with adding planes and using them for reference images, along with basic shapes and using tools such as bevel, extrude, chamfer, connect and scale amongst others. I managed to create this walkie-talkie.
We had a slight weapons malfunction, but
this model has been
everything's perfectly alright now. We're fine. We're all fine here now. Thank you. How are you?
Please take a stroll through my foliage room and my trees, too anyway. I used planes and textures for leaves. These were created by bending and scaling them to look as natural as possible. For the trunk I used scale and the move tool on a cylinder, and for the branches I used the copy tool, along with scale and move to make them look as near as possible to the reference images.